Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Buffer to schedule posts for LinkedIn growth step by step clearly. To authenticate Buffer for scheduling posts on LinkedIn, begin by opening your favorite web browser. Navigate to the Buffer website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Fill in your email address and choose a secure password. Once registered, log into your Buffer account. In the Buffer dashboard, locate the option to connect social accounts. Click on the Add a new social account button. You will see a list of social platforms available for integration. Select LinkedIn from the list. A prompt will appear, asking for permission to connect Buffer to your LinkedIn account. Log into your LinkedIn account if you aren't already logged in. Confirm the authorization by clicking Allow on the LinkedIn Permissions window. Once authorized, Buffer will redirect you back to the dashboard. Your LinkedIn account will now be connected and displayed in your Buffer account list. To get started with scheduling posts, click on the Queue tab. Here, you can create a new post by entering your content in the provided text box. You can also add images or links as needed. Choose the option to schedule the post for later if you prefer. Set the date and time for your LinkedIn post to go live. After scheduling, review your post to ensure everything is correct. Click that Add to Queue button to finalize your scheduling. Your post is now set to go live at the designated time. Repeat this process to schedule additional posts as needed for continuous growth on LinkedIn. Monitor your LinkedIn account through Buffer to track engagement and performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.